to read about the writing section. Before going further, I would like to tell you one thing about writing section. The way you will write, the way you will get the good marks, because it comes in the writing section, and it's very important that the way you will write, the way you will attempt the question. So before going further, I would like to tell you that one thing which you have to be very careful about, that this question comes in 8 marks. A very important question in your board exam. Not even 10th standard, it is also important for the class 11 as well as in class 12th also. It comes for the 8 marks, and it's a long question, right? So let's start. Today we will read a topic, placing an order in the writing section. It's a letter writing, placing an order. It's very easy to understand by a name. Placing an order means you are placing for something, right? For example, if you want any kind of requirements for your school, any kind of requirement for your home, for taking all these kinds of requirement, you are placing an order, right? Suppose example, you are ordering something online, in which what you are supposed to do, you have to select a picture, then you go to a particular section, then you have to be click on the size or other kind of mode of payment, that how you have to buy something, like with the credit card and the cash on delivery, something like that. It is also like that, placing an order, you are placing something, but there is a little bit difference in that you are placing something but in a written form. That's why this letter comes in the formal letter. We have already learned in our previous classes 2 types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. Informal letter, basically we write to our friends, our relatives, and formal letters usually we write our to companies, editors, superintendents, etc. Right? So that's why this letter comes in a formal letter. Apart from that, placing an order is a business letter also. This letters usually write to some kind of organization. If you want to buy something from any kind of organization, companies, you want to buy something from any companies, firm, etc. And next, you can write this letter to the shopkeeper also if you want to buy something in a bulk, right? So before going further, I would like to tell you some points which is very necessary before writing all these kinds of letters. The points to be remembered, which kind of things you must have to be include, because as I told you earlier, this is a writing section and it is very important the way you will write, right? Because it's very impressive. Whenever the examiner will check your notebooks in the board exam, it is very necessary the way you will write so you can get good marks, right? So let's start points to remember. First point is that specification of product. Specification of the product means to say that whatever the things you want, you must have to be specify that. For example, if you want any kind of computer accessories, so which kind of thing you want in computer accessories, you must have to be give the clear specification of that particular products or the particular accessories. For example, if you want something computer accessories, so you need keyboards, mouse, CPU. So these are the clear specification. Students, the thing you must have to be careful about that being a customer, that which is required, that you need to be clear about your product clarification. If you have any kind of doubt in your specification, so it may causes delay in your product, okay, and it may causes wrong in delivery. So you have to be very careful that your specification about product should be clear, right? Second is comes to the reference or number of quotation. Reference number of quotation means somehow you have seen this in newspaper advertisement about particular eminent shop, company, and you would like to buy that product. So you have to give the reference of that quotation, that you have seen this quotation on the reference or the advertisement in this newspaper on dated whatever the date you have seen on that day, right? Second is next, payment terms. Payment terms means to say that, for example, you want to pay with the credit cards, you want to pay with the cash on delivery. Next, come to the required date of delivery. It's very important. For example, if you are going to organize a show, right, for which you want all the instrumental things for your show, So you must need to put the date, required date, that for example you want your product within a 2 weeks, within a 3 weeks, within a month, whatever the time, by what time you need to require all these kinds of products. So you must have to be careful about within how many days you want your product to your destination, right? Next comes to the all Texas delivery charges. All Texas delivery charges, as you all know, whenever we deliver something, usually we write on that by this time we want all these kinds of things, or whatever the things we include that all Texas delivery charges. Most probably if we buy something on the worth rupees 5,000, so it is also important that somehow it includes the delivery charges also. So you must have to be right about the delivery charges. It is inclusive with the whatever the receipt you will get it, right? Now next come to the any other terms and conditions. If you must have to be asked about the permissible discount. If you are a customer, it's your right that you can ask about the permissible discount, because if you are buying, you are placing an order something in a bulk, right? So these all are the points which you must have to be include to make your letter impressive, right? In my next video, I will like to tell you about the how you have to be attempt the letter placing an order. Thank you.